All right, team, we're going to start modeling the Atkinson Bridge project over I-64. So I've got the Trimble Connect project set up. I got the plans put in their particular folders. Below this video, you'll have some links that can take you directly there. So for this project, Jody, you're gonna go ahead and take care of the bridge. So here are the bridge plans. So you'll model up the bridge. If you got any questions about the plans, let me know. Go back to Explore. The cross sections here are what we have to work with for modeling the approaches to the bridge. So on Atkinson Boulevard, we'll use these. So Johnny, you're going to take care of that. So make sure that, again, get any questions, let me know. We will have the alignments data. You'll be able to plug that in. That's also here in the folder. And then Bob, you're going to take care of the storm sewer profiles and the storm sewer. So we're going to model that up. We're going to trench it. Here's the plans for that. So if you guys get any questions, just respond here, and we'll take it from there. Let me know if you got any questions. Who's modeling the bridge? Jody's modeling the bridge. Who's modeling the road? Jody is modeling the bridge, and Johnny is modeling the approach to the bridge. Who's modeling the storm sewer? Bob is modeling the storm sewers. All right, so I'm going to add the project. So let's go ahead and put Atkinson Road. I'm going to grab that there, and we will add that to the message so everybody has it. And oh, I have an alert. Looks like Mike sent me a video. Okay, so looks like I'm assigned to do the approaches. All right. Oh, so here's the data. Let me see. Cross sections. Okay. All right. For cross sections, there's the guide. Okay. Let me see here. Create. Oh, create story cross sections. I think it's in the surface modeling edition. Yep, create story cross sections. That's going to help me. All right. How do I do it? Let's go ahead and go to the page. All right. Oh, yeah, I remember now.
In the Surface Modeling Edition, you have the ability to.
Okay. All right. So that's good. I think I can get started. Need to ask Mike a question about this. I'll record my screen. Allow. Hey Mike, I got the cross sections in and looks like I'm there, but I have a question about this right here. You can see the cross section's actually taking me beyond the return of this curb. Um, can you check with the engineer to make sure that I can go ahead and adjust this and actually get rid of this section here too, as well? So um, I'll go ahead and turn on the other layers here. You can see what station it's at. So it's these two here. It's like 34, 50, and 75. So yeah, let me know um, what I should do in that particular case. Looks like Johnny sent me a message. Let's see here. Um, what do you say? Cross section, particular section extends beyond the return of the curb. Hmm. Okay. Let me see. I see what he's saying. All right. All right. So let me see what they got going on. Um, Looks like Johnny's tasked them all the approaches with the cross sections. That's good. Looks like Johnny's got a problem with the cross sections. Let me take a look at the video. I see what he's got going on there. All right. Let's see. Yeah, seeking guidance. Okay. Let me go ahead and create a video here. And I'm going to use the screen recorder. And we'll go ahead and record connect here. So the staking and grading, if we take a look at sheet 2, I believe. Yep, right there. So let's zoom in a little bit, a little tighter. So 0.9, 10, 11. Yeah, so Johnny, just use this data, 9, 10, and 11. You got your left, right offsets from the center line. So just go ahead and set the elevations for those returns. And then for this section, that you have in here that is showing, that it's off, just maintain the slope, incoming slope, and the incoming slope of the asphalt section there. So just make it tie in nicely through here, and we should be good to go. So yeah, it looks like those cross sections are in there. Just make sure you use this data, and we should be good. Looks like Paul's gotten back to me. Let's take a look what Paul engineer did. So it looks like, sheet 2 of the data. Okay. Let's see. Oh, set elevations for the returns using points 9, 10, 11.
What
What's
is
he
this
mean?
data?
Oh,
9, 10.
just click on that. Takes me right to that spot in the video. And okay, I see what he says. This chart and 9, 10, 11. Okay. Maintain incoming slope. Let me take a look at it though.
10 and 11.
Got it. Okay. Looks like I got something going on here with the Atkinson Bridge project. Um, let's see. Oh, it looks like Paul responded to Johnny. And oh, okay, so set using the elevations and maintain the slope.
Just maintain the slope.
Okay, great. I'm just gonna let Johnny know. I mean, find out if he has anything else. Hey Johnny, looks like Paul responded. Thanks, Paul, for doing that. Um, I think we got it, Johnny. If you got any more questions, let us know. Um, look forward to completing this. Thank you. All right, I want a summary of our conversation here. So I'm going to go to my buttons, summarize. Let's go ahead and get the last day, see what happened. So I don't have to go back through all those messages. All right, so we organized, we got the cross sections, acknowledged, reach out. Okay.